If you are in Canada with a work permit or a study permit, now is not the time to waste. You must explore all your avenues to permanent residency. Okay? We don't have any more time to waste on that. All right. Here I will add, if you are outside Canada and think you want to apply for a study permit, if you do not meet the eligibility criteria and have everything in place to match up with what the study permit requires, just don't bother.
Because Canada is all about education and skill. If you're not do education and your skill, then about the garden place, and listen just to go visit as what me say. Knowledge of the passport and awareness of the weapon. Greetings and welcome viewers and subscribers on the Depan. Yes, I give thanks for life. You know, we have to go to more update on Canada immigration rules for 2026. Yeah, man, we have to go to more update because we do a video before. Like people know say Canada change up and Canada get hard and I'm gonna pass a new bill and them thing there. Zane, and we have some people jump up in the comment section and I say, yo, I ain't have to mind my business. Yeah, and me a frowns the head. Zane, and people I say, yo, the people who are going to Canada, them if you know say yo Canada is a survival place. You have to have the right education and skill. Zane for survive over there because on a better roads. Enough people say them love it, them love Jamaica and them love Canada. Zane. So we're not gonna make a negative comment them deter we from bringing this type of update to our viewers and subscribers. Zane me people. So now to the video, we're gonna play a clip. Zane to make the people them know who at risk in Canada for 2026. Zane, all the people them were a study over there, yeah, and people them were on work permit. No one had time for no waste, no had time for no start getting the thing together. Zane because them a cancel enough of them look a work permit and study visa and them look a thing there now. So all of who no up to date and no straight and no aware of what go on to the video, not gonna know what go on. And if you're straight already and you have a friend or a family member on the straight, but they are Jamaica or there or Canada. Zane, if them they are Jamaica, them apply for go Canada go study or work and them thing there, share the video to them so them can be aware. Zane, and take the necessary steps what they need to take so they can be prepared because things and time are change over there. You see, my viewers and subscribers, left on the thoughts in the comment and drop a like on the video.
The immigration levels plan has been released, and while there are some areas of disappointment, I think it's much better than I expected it would be, and it's what's best for Canada. So let's just look at some of the points, okay? So the first thing is that the number of temporary residents in Canada will be reduced indeed to 5% of the total Canadian population. That is around 370,000 in 2027 and 28, as opposed to 673,650 from 2025 and a projected 385,000 in 2026. If you are in Canada with a work permit or a study permit, now is not the time to waste. You must explore all your avenues to permanent residency. Okay? We don't have any more time to waste on that. All right. Here I will add, if you are outside Canada and think you want to apply for a study permit, if you do not meet the eligibility criteria and have everything in place to match up with what the study permit requires, just don't bother. Now it's about a 50-50 chance of success. And I'm not trying to kick your dreams or your faith or anything like that. But gone are the days when you could say a story about you got this property as a gift from your grandfather, so you'll sell it and use it for your tuition and all that type of thing. IRCC will be glad to collect your money and reject your permit, saying they don't think you leave Canada at the end of your temporary stay because you don't have enough money or you don't have enough ties or some such thing, because they are looking for reasons to reduce the temporary residence numbers. So they'll use anything that's available. The best news I heard was regarding permanent residents. Now, they will be maintaining the targeted 380,000 new permanent residents to be admitted annually over 2026, 2027, and 2028. So that's wonderful, which shows where some of those temporary residents will be transitioning to, right? And most of these will be from the economic class. That's the class that allows you to settle based on your work experience, your education, your language skills, and so on. Your ability to settle successfully in Canada without any assistance. So that's the economic class. Now they're prioritizing highly skilled immigrants and those who can help address labor shortages. For example, construction laborers is a low skilled role. It's a tier 5, but it's in high demand right now. So they will be prioritized alongside high skilled roles like physicians or registered nurses or sonographers, for example, which would be in tiers 1 or 2. You understand? Now, that is something where you should start thinking. If you have not yet done so, prepare yourself. Make yourself immigration ready as best as possible. So if you haven't done a language test, do it. If you don't have your education credentials assessed, go do that. Okay? You can even do your medical examinations, criminal record checks. Have everything ready. Create a federal express entry profile. It doesn't matter what age you are. People are going around, oh, you're too old, you won't get points. Is age the only criteria? No. So register your profile. If you are eligible, it will tell you. If you can get a provincial nomination, that's even better because the nominee programs are going to be very busy. Guys, this is no time to play. It's time to hit the ground running. Okay? Ensure you're documenting your work experience very well. It could be from confirmations of employment letters or pay stubs, or even a bank account showing that you were employed in a specific organization and they were sending your wages through to your bank account. It's better to have all these things ready to go and you never got a chance to use them than an opportunity comes up and you don't have them ready to go, so the opportunity passes you by. Okay? For the final notes, I just want to mention the rumor about the new TR to PR. It may not be like the one that we have already experienced, but there's going to be a similar model to transition 33,000 skilled workers inside Canada to permanent residency. That should be in the next year, we hope, right? And there's also room for the Francophones, the French speakers, and some slots for humanitarian cases, asylum seekers, and family reunification. So it will be interesting to see how all these plans unfold now.
So give thanks to my sister for the update because I waste knowledge of the passport and awareness of the weapon. Zane, some want to be updated and aware so if you know on the depend. Zane viewers and subscribers and share to anybody who have interest to go to Canada have to go work over there and them thing there. Because things and time are change. You need to go about it the right and proper way. Zane, if you not no skill and you not have certain little thing, Zane always used to go there go visit and them thing there. But nobody go over Canada and go waste no time on them thing there. Zane because people must clean up them place. So make sure so you do the right thing. You go there go visit, you go work, whatever you do it, Zane, and make sure so you get the thing up to date. No matter go waste some time and put yourself in a problem. Because Canada is all about education and skill. If you not do the education and your skill, nobody got them place. Unless you just go visit as well, me say. Zane, nobody waste no time. The people who are there already, make sure now aware and make the necessary steps so you can be safe and up on the safer side and not get caught up in the loophole. Because when them are clean up, everybody will get clean up. And if they run your file or your profile and your background shaky, you're in a problem. A lot of people get deported from Canada over the years, Not because they make headline news, but a reality. Don't get too complacent. Make sure say you put in your paperwork them and you know what go on and you stay up to date. And whether waste time, Zane, because if you waste time, time I go waste you and send it back right to your yard. Zane, so remember now people are wasting knowledge of the passport and awareness of the weapon. Zane, so you can know where you're depend. Drop a like on the video, subscribe if you know and leave your thoughts and comment and share the video to a friend or a family member who might be interested in Canada or they are Canada and don't know what I want. Zane, big up on yourself. Banging.